Like,
okay.
yeah.
We're getting the steel out to paint with red oxide or some shit. So it's going to be rust resistant and stuff.
There's heaps of stuff we can get onto today. It's pretty exciting to be out here. So kudos to those people who have already gotten stuff underway. That's wicked.
Yeah, like that. In terms of the main things to help with, it seems like the painting of the posts and the digging of the holes are the two main.
Yeah.
When you guys figure out in terms of the tank, any prices or hear anything in terms of that, please let me know because I can tell you whether it's feasible or not.
We had a team meeting. It was really productive. We obviously set out tasks, given timelines for each of them and allocated a responsible person. So this should potentially mean that today's going to be a really productive day as well.
A big list of stuff to get done today, so everyone's very busy. Yeah.
I'm digging holes, masonry wall, some people's procuring ladders, wheelbarrows, steel's getting painted, cut, and hopefully by the end of the day we should have maybe a couple of posts in the ground. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're going to cut these now unpainted?
Yeah, and then get them to paint them. Team's working really well. Actually, to my, I don't want to say surprise, but after hanging with Group 1 for a week, they bonded so well, and from I guess during the semester it didn't feel like we were that close, but now it's just over the last 2 days it feels like everything's gone really well and everyone's getting along really well. It's really cool.
Good idea. Rather than just asking for shovels, let's ask for labour.
I'm digging a hole for the hole's footings to go in. The posts, sorry. It's got to be 300 deep and 500 wide, so it's not too big. You guys did most of the work yesterday?
Everyone knows what they're doing. Everyone's focused on their tasks. We're working together, we're communicating well. I think we're effectively utilising our resources.
And also because that means they can do more masonry.
Yeah, so once we got that, it's probably worth just having a stream, pull it tight and have a look.
So do you think the whole...
It's supposed to be helping them organise the masonry, but they've got it... I don't know what they're doing. They're putting the stone, they're using the sand and aggregate. I don't even know, oh my gosh. It should be good.
I'm pretty excited. We were supposed to finish some work after lunch, but we have already almost completed it in the morning itself. So things are going pretty smooth. A little stressed about having a water tank, looking like we have a new project. So yeah, hopefully we'll be able to nail it. We're working on it. So yeah, let's see how that goes.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Amazing. They're phenomenal. Probably something we scheduled for 2 or 3 days work's getting done in less than a day. So yeah, they're absolute wizards. It's cool to watch the process too. We've been actually speculating on how it was going to get done for the past sort of week whilst we've been eyeing off different stone walls going up. And so it kind of looks like the process they go through is they get the available stone, they chop off a flush level, which is the one that's going to sit out on the exterior of the building, as you can kind of see here. And then from there they just pretty well stack the blocks as best they can according to the string line, so the edges are flush straight down, and just fill in the rest with concrete. So pretty simple process, but glad we have them helping us because, well, yeah, we're learning a lot from them, which is great.
And then can you throw us some rocks from that pile? Just putting some of them away. Throw them chuck them down,
Yeah, so one of the cooler things is that all the stones that we're getting put in the foundation, the strip footings at the moment, they're all from site. The majority of them that have been cut up already have come from when the dozer came and done its work. So yeah, that saved digging them out. As you can kind of see, they've done in the past year, they've just dug deep and made a mini quarry, which is pretty cool to watch. So yeah, at least, you know, pretty well the foundations are sourced locally and for material that we didn't have to pay for. So yeah, exciting work.
You don't think it's good enough?
I think it's good enough.
I think it's good enough. We've over-engineered this a lot as well. It's a massive, like this is a lot of cement and everything to hold in the thing. So I think we're good. Anyway, undo that the other end, carts.
I'll do it.
We're just lining up this last steel post, for the footing for the steel post. So basically we just have to center it. Once it's centered, we just want to lock it in with a couple of pegs and a few rocks and whatever we can. Yeah, that's basically what we're doing at the moment.
Like this. You know what I mean? This is that one over there. And this is this one.
Draw out the back up there, and then we'll think maybe a couple of tanks down there.
That should have been.
So let's say it's here.
Still
That's your line,
okay.
and that's fine.
Still okay. So that's our footings for our steel posts, which are holding up the roof. We're basically just trying to get them in line. We've also had a bit of an issue with if we can get the strip footing, so the stonework, to run on the outside, because we don't want those the tin showing or anything. So yeah, we just had to sort of readjust them a little bit. I think they're all pretty much in place now. Yeah, just be a bit wider and yeah, probably maybe a bit higher as well.
So yeah.
Well, if we look around, we've still got our masoners hard at it. We're hoping to have maybe half of it done by today. So that's pretty good progress to have that finished. You can see we've got our formwork in for our steel posts, which will be going in tomorrow morning, hopefully. We've also made a bit of legwork on the water tanks. We've had a few design chats, maybe hopefully overcoming a few challenges that we had there. Don't know, that's still very tentative, but I think we're like moving forward with that. Over this side, we've got our steel posts ready to go in, all painted with anti-rust. You can see our workers again still had it. I feel like we had like a really good day. We just like pushed on from what we had started yesterday. There are a few hold points today, such as like collection of water, sorting out specific design of the formwork. But then once we overcame that, it's kind of like cool runnings. So tomorrow will be interesting because it's church morning, and then labour might be a little bit questionable in the afternoon. But hopefully we can push on with finishing the masonry, get our posts in, and yeah, start thinking about what happens next, roofing, slab.